Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Encha ya lero akwatidde ekibiina kya National Unity Platform bendera mu kuvuganya ku ntebe esinga okuba enene mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine kw'ossa n'omumyuka we avunaanyizibwa ku Northern Uganda, Madam Lina Zedriga. Olunaku olwaleero bagenzeeko mu district y'e Lira gye basabidde ku ekereziya ey'e Lira. Waneeno Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine aweereddwa omukisa okwogerako eri abazze okusaba, era njagala gwe Munnayuganda ndaba olabe oba owulirize ebigambo President byayogeddeko eri abantu b'e Lira. Wabula nkusaba tambuza video ate subscribinga, followinga, sharinga. Bampita Simple Katukomewo.
Welcome to Lira Cathedral. As our time is fast to spend, we're just going to welcome you. Thank you so much.
The Lord is good. And all the time. Wow. I love Bishop. And my namesake, Bishop Lino Santos Wanok. We are very honored to have listened to your family and all the blessings and the Christians of this mighty Lira Catholic Parish and the Cathedral. Apoyo Parish and the Cathedral. Allow me to take this honor at this church with Mother Mary present and the angels invite our President, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, my Lord Bishop and the entire leadership of the church, dear brethren, all the entire apoyo Lord. Nyinga Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert aka Bobi Wine aka Okello Abel Ali President Main National Unity Platform. I will not speak Luo because I know today is the Bantu service. Many of them might not understand me. But I will say, I will also tell them, today I am honored to be able to address you very briefly. It's a blessing that this day found me in Lira, being able to communicate with you, brethren, to share this moment, to share this blessing, but also, once again, being able to communicate my humble communication. Besides being a devoted Catholic and a Christian, I'm also running for president. I ran for president in 2021. All of you know what happened. But unlike 2021, I was much younger, much angrier, and more impatient. Not that I'm patient now, I'm even more impatient. But I might say so much that I've learned in this journey in northern Uganda, and particularly in Lamu. It is not like the first one. Many things we plan, but God also planned otherwise. Last time we went through Karuma. Even this time we were meant to drive by road through Karuma, and I was invited by a brother. Some of you know him. His name is Honorable Jimmy Apina. And I had the honor of visiting him at his home, and also the honor of visiting the resting place of the founding father of our nation, Dr. Abraham Lincoln Obote. Now, that visit alone touched me, and in many ways changed even my communication with Northern Uganda. I had come to look for God, and yes, I am still looking for God, but I realized that there was something even more important than God, something that was more important than myself as an individual, something that brings us together. You see, I'm among the old people in this generation at 43 years, and I was only 4 years when the new government came in. And my generation and those younger, we are being told to be divided, we're being told not to love each other, we're being told to live by the unfortunate events of the past. I realize that we are more similar than different, that it is more beneficial when we are together than drawn apart. And realize that we as a generation, it is our time to make our own mistakes and correct our mistakes, but it's also our duty to right the wrongs of the past, to paint a new picture and to build a new Uganda based on love, a new Uganda based on unity, based on peace, and based on reconciliation. So, much as I'm looking for the votes in Lamu, which votes I am sure I will get, there's something more important that I desire, that even if I don't get the votes, at least let us get the unity. Even if I don't get the votes, at least let us get the opportunity to start afresh, to build our own lives, to connect and reconnect, to love and to fulfill the dreams of our forefathers. Like the church has always been preaching to us that love conquers all. We have the ability to do that, brothers and sisters. So my message to you, especially the young people, is to be able to look at a better country, to look at what connects us, what unites us, more than what divides us. To know that all the differences that we've been taught, none of us was even present. We have the opportunity to do right. And of course, in this election, I will not forget to say that I am the best candidate. I am the best candidate because I look ahead. I am the best candidate because I believe in unity, because I present a vision for a new Uganda, a vision that will be celebrated by our fathers, our mothers, our elders, but most importantly, a vision that will give opportunity for us, the new generation, to start afresh, to change and rearrange, and to build a country where all the children of Uganda, regardless of their tribe and background, regardless of their religion, regardless of their gender, will all live in a life of dignity. Finally, I want to thank the Catholic Church for always being a steward of morality, for being fearless, for speaking truth to power, and for also being a guiding compass for all of us. Thank you, my Lord Bishop, and thank you, Brooklyn, for listening.
Once again, we would like to
Alright, okwo kwe kubadde okwogera kwa His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine wabadde mu district Erira ku church ku ekereziya bw'atyo bayogeddeko eri abantu. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly share the video. Make sure you leave a comment in the commentary section. My name is Simple Katukomeo.